Dear students, now you are going to learn about a type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. As the name says, parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Now draw two parallel lines of equal length. Now draw parallel lines of equal length. This is one pair of parallel lines. Now join the endpoints. So you will get a parallelogram. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is parallel to CD, represented by arrow symbol, and AD is parallel to BC, represented by double arrow. AD parallel to CB. So AB parallel to CD and DA parallel to CB. Opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. Now draw one more parallelogram. Draw opposite sides. Draw two parallel lines of equal length. Then join the endpoints. You will get a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. PS parallel to RQ. SP parallel to RQ. And SR parallel to PQ. So opposite sides are parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Now let us study the properties of parallelogram. Now see here, ABCD is a parallelogram. Which are the parallel lines here? AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to CB. And also look at the measurement of sides. Look at the length of the sides. What is the length of AB here? 8.86 and DC is 8.86. So they are equal. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Look at one more pair of opposite side, that is AD and BC. They are also equal. So AD is equal to BC. So this is the property of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, that is AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. And one more property is opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now look at their angles. Look at the measurement of angles. A is 43.45, C is also 43.45, B is 136.55, D is 136.55. So here A and C are what type of angles? Opposite angles. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. So opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. This is one more property. Remember, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Also, look at the sum of two adjacent angles. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus C 180 degree. Angle C plus D 180 degree. Because these are adjacent angles lie between the parallel lines. Angle C and angle D lie between the parallel lines CB and AD. So sum of all the two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So in a parallelogram, sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. This is one more property of parallelogram. Now draw the diagonals. Look at the parts of diagonals. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at O, and look at the measurement of parts of diagonal AC. AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to BC. Means diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals divided into two equal parts. AC is divided into two equal parts and BD is divided into two equal parts. So diagonals bisect each other. This is important property of parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals divided into two equal parts. One diagonal bisect the other diagonal. Now look at the measurement of other angles here. Look at the alternate angles. Alternate angles means Z shape. Z shape around the parallel lines. Here angle CDB is equal to angle DBA. And angle DCA is equal to CAB. One pair of alternate angle Z shape. Now if you start from C, then CDB is equal to DBA. Angle CDB is equal to DBA. This is one more alternate angle. Now Here AD and BC are parallel. So start from A now. ADB is equal to DBC. ADB is equal to DBC and DAC is equal to ACB. Z shape around the parallel lines, and ADB is equal to DBC. So all the alternate angles are equal in parallelogram. And look at the angle formed at the point of intersection of diagonal. You can find it because DOC is a triangle. You know angle DCO and CDO. So you can find angle DOC because sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. And look at this triangle ABC and triangle ADB. They are congruent triangles. They are congruent triangles, and triangle ADB and DBC also congruent triangles. They are equal in area. Triangle DBA and DBC are equal in area. They are equal triangles. So these are the properties of parallelogram. Now let us summarize the properties of parallelogram. It is the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Sum of adjacent angles. Sum of two adjacent angles between the parallel lines is 180 degree. Diagonals bisect each other and alternate angles are equal. These are the properties of parallelogram.